Hello guys, today in this video I explain to you how to create real-time session to read date and time for the PLC. Let's start. First click on the program blocks. Double click on main OB1. Click on this extended instruction. Expand this date and time of day. Select this RD local time and place on this horizontal line. Select TTL. Double click on device configuration. Here in general. And here you select day of time. Double click here. Now here you select the time zone. Click on this drop down arrow. Select your country time zone. Here I select Islamabad, Karachi. Collapse this screen. Now in the program blocks, double click on add new block. Here we select data block and here we give the name TB. Click on OK button. Here under this static, click on add new. Here we give the name date and time. Click outside this box. Double click on Boolean. Select this box. Here we select the TTL. Click outside this box. Double click here. Here we give the name status. Under the data type, double click here. Here we select the word. Now select this main OB1. Select this out. Double click on this question mark. Drag and drop this over this question mark. For retention value, select this question mark and drop this status over this question mark. Now our ladder diagram is completed. Click on this start simulation. Click on OK. Again click on OK button. Click on consider as trusted. Click on load button. Click inside this no action. Select this start module. Click on finish. Select this online and diagnostic. Expand this function. Click on set time. Click on go online. Click in this box take from PC. Click on apply. Now you see date and time is synchronized. Date is 8 December 2023. Hour is 3 and minutes are 48. So the PC date and time and PLC time is synchronized. Click on DB_1. Expand this date and time. Click on this monitor all. You see the date is 8 December 2023. Hour is 15 minutes and seconds also present here. And time is running. You can verify with this. December 8, hour is 3 is 15, hour is same and minutes are also same. Now I show you how to utilize this function. First I go to offline now. Now here I give you two examples how to use this date and time function. Select this network 2 from the comparator operation. Expand this. Now we drag this comparator greater than and equal to. Place over this dot here. Another comparator function less than and equal to. Place over this dot here. And for the output, select this output symbol. Now select this date and time, copy this. Double click on this question mark and paste here. Here you put dot. Select over. Click outside this box. Copy this and paste over here. Select here U integer and same here U integer. Now you see here is the time is running 11:20. So here we put here 11. and here we put here 4 hours more, 15. For the output delivery we put M0.0. So suppose the time is between 11 and 15, this output will comes on. For another example, here we open new branch, bring this greater and equal to comparator, place over here dot, and here comparator equal, place over here. For the output, we place this output symbol here. Here we give the bit M1.0. Copy this date and time, hour, copy and place over here. Here also paste. Now here we want to see that minutes, so we change from hour to minute. Here we see time is 11:22, so we want this output will be turned on at 11, minute is 26. Now our ladder logic is completed. Click on download button, click on load, collapse this screen. Now click on go online, click on monetizing on and off. Now you see the time is, we can recheck here, is between 11 and 15, so this output is comes on. So here in the second example, when the time reach 11th hour 26 minute, the second output will comes on. So after 1 minute this output will come on. Here you see this output comes on. I am sure you understand this date and time logic, how to create this function and utilize and use this logic. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.